All right, guys. So now that we have created our project, Visual Studio actually comes with an integrated terminal. So we don't need the terminal we were using before, the CMD. We're going to be using the integrated terminal right here. So I'm going to hold Control and tilde key, and it's going to open the integrated terminal like this. And I'm also going to bring it down a little bit, and I'm going to switch to CMD. All right. So automatically, the moment I switch to CMD, it actually also activates our virtual environment for us. I'm also going to close the PowerShell, and I'm also going to clear the screen. So what we're going to be doing essentially in this video is to run our project for the first time, our Django project. So to run our Django project, we're going to use Python. Then we're also gonna, once we are in the Swift hub, we have access to the manage.py. I will explain what the manage.py does, but this is what the manage.py does. So Python manage.py, and once we have called the manage.py, we can say run server, and we wait a minute, and it's actually going to run our server for us. So if you are seeing this page, you can hold Control and then click, and once you do that, it's going to open this page. And so congratulations, guys, you have been able to install Django, create your first Django project, and it's running successfully.